Live with Matt Austin, Ginger Gadsden. Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Sorrells. This is News 6 at 5:30. Getting results.
All new at 5:30, tax relief for Florida families counting their losses after Hurricane Ian. FEMA has declared the storm and the state a federal disaster.
And that means you may be eligible for an additional tax refund. News 6 investigator Mike Holfeld crunched the numbers with a tax expert.
It's for anything that insurance didn't cover.
Kathy Pickering is the chief tax officer with H&R Block and head of the company's Tax Institute. Pickering tells News 6 the potential tax relief available to Florida residents in the wake of Hurricane Ian comes down to this.
There's no double dipping. So if you're getting reimbursed from your insurance, you don't also get to claim it as a loss on your taxes.
Homeowners affected by Hurricane Ian that reside or have a business anywhere in the state of Florida qualify for tax relief. That's because the entire state was given federal disaster status by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA. Ian delivered unthinkable damage from central to southwest Florida. Much of that damage, including flooding, isn't covered by many insurance policies.
Is there a limit to how many deductions I may put in for?
So this is not like a refundable credit. You don't get to say, oh, I had $100,000 of losses and the IRS will send you a check. It's more, say, for example, you paid $20,000 in taxes, you would get up to, that much in taxes refunded back to you.
Pickering says once you determine your losses, you fill out an itemized list on Tax Form 4684. Be sure to write the FEMA declaration number, DR 4673FL. Deductions must be attributable to a federal disaster.
You sum up all those expenses, and then you go through this worksheet, the schedule.
Pickering tells News 6 you can file the claim as an amendment to last year's tax return or the 2022 tax return this year. Finally, anyone who had an extension for last year's taxes gets another extension.
The filing deadline is coming up right now, Monday, October 17th. So if you're now in a situation where you can't file your tax return, that deadline has been extended.
Pickering tells me filing online is the fastest way to get that tax refund. And listen, if you have the documents, if you have the paper trail, that's going to help with those itemized deductions. Mike Holfeld, Getting Results, News 6.